hookers, here is your free tutorial for this phone case. What are you gonna need? Simple, you're gonna need a hook. I'm gonna use a 5/5. I am going to use this Karen yarn inspiration, what's it called? Yeah, Yarn Inspirations. It's anniversary cakes. You can use anything you want. This is what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna go down to 5/5. You're gonna need some scissors, of course, a tape measure, a bent tapestry needle. I think stitch markers are always good to have on hand, and that's about it. Measure your phone. That's your step one. And we're going to do that so that we make sure that our bag is big enough for the phone. So step one, use your tape measure, measure your phone. Step two, you're going to chain the number of stitches that reaches you to the measurement of your phone. Mine is 9 stitches, well, 9 chains, which is gonna be 8. You know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna go one more, and then I'm gonna go back the other way with single crochets. If you need a reminder, you know I have that on my beginning crochet tutorial in the videos. So all you're doing here is single crocheting down your 8 stitches, and when you get to the end, you're gonna chain 1, and we're almost there, and you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. And believe it or not, that is your whole pattern. You're just gonna be going back and forth. And remember, your first stitch is at the base of that chain. Don't skip that or else you're gonna need to call me. So you're gonna have 8 stitches, in this case, for my phone, but you'll just, you know, make it to fit your phone, whatever that is. And that is it. I'll come back in a seckie and I'll show you how to seam it, and there is your phone case will be done. Okay, step 3, we've got our panel, which I think I told you mine's about 14 inches, looking cute. When you fold it to seam it, leave yourself about 1.5 inches for a little flap over your phone. And because the phone is, well, making the video, I'm gonna use my case as a little guide. So I'm gonna make sure it's gonna fit, and it is because I measured, and now all we have to do is seam. And in order to do that, we're gonna seam 2 sides. We're going to I've got my yarn on my hook, and I'm gonna take a loop, 2 loops from the front panel and from the back panel. And in this case, just to keep it really simple, we're going to, guess what? Single crochet. That's it, and we're gonna go all the way down. So I'm gonna take a loop here from the front panel and from the back, and you can just kind of scooch to make your guide. And I'm just gonna go down the side, and of course I have one more side to do after this, and then we will finish it up with the handle. Sides are seamed, ready to finish it up. We are going to add a handle. The way that I'm doing this is so simple. I'm not even crocheting it. I'm just taking 2 pieces of yarn. I don't know, I picked orange and white. I thought that was kind of cute. And of course I measured it just like this because I want it to kind of be like that on me. So that's how I got the measurement. And then, I mean, it's so scientific. And then I hop on my tapestry needle that I mentioned in the beginning of our supplies. And this is a very simple way to connect straps. And all I'm doing is I'm opening up my bag and I'm just weaving down the side, just in and out, in and out, in and out. Kind of go, I don't know, I guess I went about 1 inch. And then at the very end, I don't weave those in. It's so simple. I just tie a knot and it holds it like that. And it just holds it in place. And then I do the same on the other side. So I hop on to my tapestry needle. And by the way, this entire pattern is written out for you if needed, and it is in the community section. So if you just press that tab, you're gonna see exactly this written out. This is the second side. And of course, do not hesitate ever to ask me any questions. In that, there's a comment section there you can see. And I'm just going to, again, knot it here. And last but not least, I will of course put my phone in this little cutie. And you know, there are so many ways you can embellish this bag, but I kind of liked it just like that. Remember the first one? I put a little flower on it. And this one, as you saw the little video, I just sewed the button on with some embroidery thread onto a circle. And remember, I said I was gonna glue gun, and all I'm doing is just putting a lot of glue on, and I just pop that into the center, holds like a charm. And there's my phone case. Let me know how yours worked out.